In my last video, I covered the long drive up from Bay Area, California all the way to the Columbia River Gorge. Please check out that video for the details. While our Earth is beautiful everywhere, there are clearly some places which are Mother Nature's preferred child, if I were to say that. One such place is the National Scenic Area of Columbia River Gorge. A small video like this doesn't do justice to the splendor of nature on display here. The majestic Columbia River, giant mountains on either side as if standing guard, numerous waterfalls, dense redwood trees, all feed your soul and invite you to be with them in harmony. The Columbia River forms a natural border between Oregon State to the south and Washington State to the north. While the Oregon side is more popular for tourism and is a bit crowded, we stayed on the Washington side in a place called Stevenson. We stayed at a cozy riverside cabin. We went for walks, did some office work, enjoyed some of the many waterfalls that are on either side of the river. We also spent some time with our close friends living in Stevenson. Oh, caught her finally. While there are many food options, one of our favorites is Backwood Pizza and Brewing. Their awesome pizza and beer are a good match for the mountains. We tried their beer tray with 10 types of beer, and in no time the glasses were empty.
Everything done. All right, this is the buffalo chicken. Oh, perfect. Thank you.
If you're visiting Columbia River Gorge, I would highly recommend considering the Washington side of the river. This was just a glimpse of the beautiful Columbia River Gorge. It is mesmerizing in every season and a must visit if possible.